going over the WS300 modification to the fuel pump that we do. So as we run a lot of boost and make a lot of power, the fuel flow needs to go up, and mostly it's an injector. It helps the injector out by doing this mod, but all of our 300 tunes are set up around this modification. So it does require a 2018 fuel pump housing. This one is actually using like a prototype KWI fuel pump housing, so that's going to be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing. These will be listed on the website soon, so you can check them out. It pretty much allows us to delete the factory fuel filter and make it a feed and return style system, so you can have a fuel rail that is a through system. And you could still actually use the factory fuel pressure regulator for it. But the main focus is all right here. So this is where your fuel pressure regulator is mounted. So you'll have to lift this up. This is spring loaded on this shaft. So you just lift that up out of these little slots right here. And pop this thing out. So this is the fuel pressure regulator. So factory, it's set at about 65 psi. You carefully grab onto this thing. Use a 1/4 Allen. And the idea would be to try to not let it spin and not ruin it. Did I already mod this one? So we're going to tighten this thing all the way in. And you don't have to it's kind of a delicate piece, so don't go crazy. So just snug it up and make sure. Snug it up, and then we're going to back it out one complete rotation. And that's how you set it. So this is going to increase fuel pressure to about, this increases fuel pressure to about 78 psi. So that is the modification you have to do. We slide this thing back in here. Lift this thing up. And that's it. So all of the tunes have been calibrated around a fuel pressure modification like we just did. So if you're getting our 300 kit, that's what you're going to want to do. Other than that though, the rest of this system, you don't have to have this for the kit. The billet housing and the change of lines and filter. This was originally developed on a factory sending unit. This is just for for video purposes today. But thank you, and we're going to be posting some more how-to videos here on some of the more complicated kits, so stay tuned for that.